Here's how to reset your Instagram Explorer page. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram application in your mobile device and log into your specific account. But before that, you can go ahead, open your Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Instagram application, then go ahead and open it. And if you see an update button instead of open, select update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. After that, open Instagram, log into your specific account, tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen, then select the three lines in the top right to go to your settings and activity section. Now, here you need to scroll all the way down, and there you'll get the option of content preferences, that is between what you see section. Select it. And in the bottom of the list, you'll get the option of reset suggested content. Select next. Select reset suggested content, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. Tap on OK to confirm, and you'll be done. That's it. Your Instagram Explorer page will be now reset. If you want to customize your Instagram algorithm, you can go ahead and select your algorithm section, or you can also go for other options like sensitive content, political content, interested, not interested, specific words and phrases, and if you want to snooze suggested post or not. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.